Hi, welcome to my channel.
It's not how you do it.
No?
No.
Okay. Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do
more like
some...
Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I actually have a palette that I wanted to share with you guys that I got from Watson's in Krabi. We were walking down Aonang Beach and I saw Watson's. Yes, how can I help you? Most of the brands that the Watson's in Thailand carries about the same brands as the ones we have here, but except for a few brands, and I'm specifically intrigued or attracted to one specific brand, which is this one. It's called Srichand. They have 3 different palettes, but I'm most interested in this one because of multiple reasons, and I'll show you guys in a bit. So this is how it looks like. It came in a plastic, so I tore it off, and then there's a sleeve. It's gorgeous. Wait until you see the color. And so in this palette, it has a mirror and 6 colors, as you can see right here. It's gorgeous. Oh my god, look at that blue and that blue and this red. If you follow me on my Instagram, you would know what happened. I was actually shooting this video earlier and I realized I wasn't pressing record, so I have to redo it right now.
When I get back.
I love you.
Love you back.
Okay, now my husband's gone, the distraction's gone. I'm gonna first go into this red color, and we're going to use this all over the lid. So what I have, I don't have any primer on, but I do have my base going on already. So this is the base I'm using, Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation. That is what I have on my lid as well. So we're just gonna leave it at that, and we're gonna go in with the red all over. So look at that color. I mean, it's gorgeous, right? So we got the red ready. I'm going to go in with my finger into this blue right here. So previously, if you have my social media, you know that I've already done this video halfway through, and I realized I did not press record on my camera. So actually, before I went in with this color all over the lid, but this time I'm going to change. I'm going to use this one all over the lid with my finger. Okay, look at that, so bright. Next, what do we do? I think, let me just grab my brush real quick. We're gonna grab a brush, small tip brush like this. Okay, we're going to go into that duochrome color. Actually, wait, let's see the swatch of this green color. Look at that, beautiful. So I think I'm going to incorporate this green a little bit onto my eye here. Let's just see what it can do. I'm gonna put this at the end here. Just gonna apply it everywhere on the lid. Make it more green. Using the green all over the lid now. I think I'm going to use the blue on my lower lid, lower lash line. So pigmented and beautiful. Right now, I think I'm going to go in with a flat tip brush. We want to darken the outer corner a little bit with this greeny black color in here. I'm gonna apply it with a brush on the lower side. Oh yeah, this is black and a very dark green, I would say. Gonna tuck it right at the end there. I think I'm going to try to pop this in the center of the lid. just to like give it a pop of color. So I'm going to grab my cushion foundation on a tiny brush just to lay down a bit of foundation for the pop of color to go on, like with our finger in the middle. Beautiful. Oh, it's so gorgeous. So beautiful. Anyways, we're done with the top lid, so I'm just going to finish up the face and a little bit, and then put on some liner, and then we're going to be right back for the lower lash line. Now we're going to grab a pencil brush. This is quite a thick pencil brush. We're going to go into the red shade and really buff out the lower lash line here. I think I'm going to grab a smaller pencil brush, and I'm going to go into this blue that we covered up earlier, and we're going to pop this to our lower lash line. Can you see clearly? I hope so. Yeah. It's not quite as bright as I want it to be, so I think I'm going to use a little bit of setting spray. Spray some of that on the brush, dip into the color. So we've laid down the blue. Now the final color that we haven't used yet is this gold color, which is gorgeous. I'm telling you, from the swatch at the store, I knew I want this for the highlight. So we're going to grab a brush to highlight the brow bone. And I'm also going to pop this color as my inner corner highlight. So we're going to grab this on a smaller brush, like this one, and pop it. I'm actually going to use this shade as well as my face highlight. So I'm gonna apply here. So I'm going to apply some liner and mascara, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so that completes this review slash short tutorial on how to do your eye look. All in all, of course, as you can see through my reviews throughout the video, that I really love this palette. And this is a catch, guys. If you go to Thailand and you stumbled upon their Watsons, or just find their Watson, get this brand. It's so good. I wish I've gotten more products from this line, but it's so good. You can see my eye look right here. I've created sort of a smoky look with all of the color in this palette. Yeah guys, so that concludes the review for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I really recommend for you guys to go and grab it. And if any of you guys are watching from Thailand, this is so damn good. Thank you so much for tuning into this week's video. If you have any suggestions, comments, or concern, or if you ever use this palette, please leave your comment down below. Let me know I'm not alone. And I'll see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye!